Whoa, this is intense.
Oh, I'm like,
Holy moly, wow, Alan, your head is super huge. Just like the whole frame is just your head.
I don't know, I'm following him already.
Wow.
Answer me!
Wow, oh my gosh.
Kiss Kim.
Kiss him.
You gotta kiss.
That's the camera. Oh my god.
No, not me. Ew.
Hi, Sojourn.
It's like Wally. It's like Wally.
wait, Isabel,
That's pretty
don't
fun.
knock over the microphone.
Look at Jenna eating a burrito. Guys, I would just narrate my life with one of these. That'd be so
And
cool.
all of us just stood there laughing for like 30 seconds before we finally, like, why didn't we just leave right after?
Alright, this is not...
Isabel, go get the book.
No, why would I ever help my enemy group?
Because
We're gonna win. We're gonna
we're
take
your
you down.
friends. You're not gonna take us down.
We won March Madness.
What are you talking about? Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Do you have anything you'd like to say to your mother?
My mom would like not like this video.
What's for dinner?
What word, Mom? Don't hurt you.
I already did.
Look, we might stop.
Is that what you want to say? You don't have anything to say to your mother?
I said, what's for dinner?
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What do you think is for dinner?
I don't know.
If you had to guess, what would you guess?
Chicken.
Really?
And, I don't know. Something.
Let's start watching something.
Yeah, we should watch those clips.